How to reset your TurboTax password. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about resetting your TurboTax password. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to the official website of TurboTax and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in and you're in the home page, tap on Sign In and Security, that is the initial option over here. You can also tap on Sign In and Security from the left-hand side of the screen, that is between Overview and Profile option. Tap on it. After that, select the option of Password, that is between email address and phone number. Tap on it again. And now you can enter your new password directly. After you're done typing the new password, go ahead and confirm your new password again in the next field, and then tap on Save, that is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. And that's it. It's easy to reset your TurboTax password. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.